G'day everyone, welcome along. It's Tim Guest here. Today we have a very special unveiling. This is a project that we've been working on for approximately 7 or 8 months now, and that is the brand new website. Now, for us, the biggest thing that we're out to do is really assist everyone that comes in contact with us in terms of providing them with the kind of knowledge and education resources that they need to be able to fulfill on their financial goals. And whether that for you is personally home ownership, or whether it's about lifestyle and travel, or whether it's about early retirement, we've always wanted to be the resource for people to turn to find easy to understand, poignant, up to date, innovative ways to fulfill on their goals. Now, as many of you know, so many of you out there are either have been in one of our workshops and utilised the education that you got to better your own financial circumstances, or and very many of you have also are clients. We've actually held your hand, walked you through the process, and assisted you to take actions to fulfill on your goals. And look, it's been an incredible journey for us. It's been 6.5 years since we founded the business, and we've gone through exponential expansion. We've doubled, we've tripled, we've expanded nationally. Unfortunately, the website probably got a little bit old and tired, so we wanted to update the website to make sure that it was not only consistent with our values and our vision, but also that it was the most up-to-date and valuable resource for you guys. So I wanted to spend a little bit of time today and just give you a bit of a tour of the website and give you an indication about the kind of really valuable stuff that you can find while you're there on the website. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to turn the camera around so that it's pointed at my laptop so you can actually see. So I'm just going to flip it around now and tilt it down there, and let's have a look. So here we are on the home page of the website. Basically straight away we give people the opportunity to obviously come along to the workshops or find out more specifically how we can help them through the tool called the Financial Health Check, which I know many of you have utilised. Telling you a little bit more about us as a company. One of the biggest things that we wanted to also let people know is our track record. We have an incredible track record. The value that we've been able to provide to our clients has been extraordinary. So we want to make sure people know that. We have over 30 specialists in our team. We've had over 14,000 people attend our workshops. We've designed strategies for over 3,000 people, and we've assisted our clients to invest more than $340 million with very high customer satisfaction ratings. On top of that, we won a number of awards. So BRW, one of the fastest growing companies in Australia. Entrepreneur of the Year award I've won, also a Business Use 40 Under 40, and also nowadays most people are clicking on videos and utilising videos, and straight away you can get access to things like our education workshops, Financial Health Check blog posts and publications, and case studies and feedback. As you know, look, charity is a very big part of what we do. We donate 10% of our profits to charity, and we want people to be able to see the charities that we're contributing to. So we've had to put them on a scroll to include them all there. Walking people through the steps, if you want to reach your goals, the 3 steps: educate, design, and implement. So giving people more of a picture about that. I'm not going to go through everything here, but one of the most important parts, and actually I'll probably click through to our feedback section here. One of the things that's most important for us, and one of the things that we're so very proud of, is the difference that we've made with real life clients. So we've set it up. We've got case studies in here. We've got so these are the case studies that we've got. We've also got we do video testimonials with many of our clients. Obviously people are often a little bit shy about getting on camera, but we've got hundreds of video testimonials, written testimonials, and client case studies. So if people want to find out the kind of experience that clients have had, then they've got that right away available to them. But look, that's just kind of finding out about us and what we do. One of the things that was also really important for us as well is, we want people to get to know us as a company, what sets us apart and what makes us different. So one of the things that we've included, and I wasn't really sure whether we were going to do this or not, but we have a vision, mission, and core value statement that we've based our company around for many years now. It's normally been an internal document, but we actually decided that we wanted to make it public so people understand our why we do what we do. And we want people to live a life free from the constraints of their finances. We want people to live a life where they're inspired to pursue the things that really matter to them, and then able to make the difference in the world that they want to make. Now, we do that by educating, designing and implementing strategies for people so they can reach their goals. When they reach their goals, they're more freed up to live the kind of life that they want to live. And the 4 core values that we build our business around is integrity, when you watch our videos, case studies, you'll notice that most of our clients will mention this. Customer service, we want our clients to have a great experience, contribution, giving back to the community, and always operating like absolute pure professionals. But in terms of being a resource, look, I mean, primarily, I guess some of the things that we wanted to provide people here were access to our events. I mean, we provide an enormous amount of education to clients, free of charge. That's part of our vision, our mission, and our core values. Is we want people to be able to live the kind of life that they want to live without being constrained by their finances. And we provided a huge amount of valuable education in those workshops, so people are able to get along those workshops. We've got products here which enable us to actually show people specifically how we can help them, once again free of charge. And then of course we're able to keep people up to date, and this is probably what I consider one of the most valuable areas, is keeping people up to date with and weekly from our inner sanctum of industry experts. Not only us, but we've got a whole group of experts that we deal with in terms of utilising that information to then provide with our clients. We've also got blog articles which keep people on track and inspired. We've got daily posts to keep people up to date about the conversation. We do live broadcasts. We keep people up to date with things like news and tips, updates on workshops and strategies. So look, there's just a huge amount of information available on this website. Personally, I think it looks absolutely fantastic, and I really wanted to let all the people that have been involved in putting this new website together know just how unbelievably proud I am of the website and of them personally and the work that they've done. And yeah, guys, look, get along, check it out, so that you can get access to the resources that you need to reach your goals. Apart from that, guys, that's pretty much it for me. Look, it is brand new. We'd love to hear your feedback. If you see spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, that kind of stuff, I'd love to hear them, because we just got a real commitment that this is the best that it can be. So anything that you want to let us know, that'd be great. And any further resources that you think that we might be able to provide you to assist you in reaching your goals, then that would be fantastic too. All right, guys, that's it for me. I've got an event later on in Melbourne tonight, so if you're coming along to our Melbourne workshop, that's fantastic. I look forward to seeing you then. We've got another one in Perth tomorrow. But yeah, look forward to speaking to you guys and seeing you guys soon. Have a great day.